Imagine building a house. You start with a vision, an idea of what you want the final structure to look like. You wouldn't just start laying bricks randomly, right? Each brick has its place, and every step follows a specific order. You need a plan, a blueprint. This blueprint guides every action, ensuring that the house is built correctly and stands strong. That's what systems are for your business. The blueprints for success. They provide a clear path and structure for your operations. They create order out of chaos and help your business run smoothly. With systems in place, tasks are streamlined and everyone knows their role. Without systems, things can get messy. Disorganization can lead to mistakes, missed opportunities, and frustration. Imagine customers calling and no one knowing who to direct them to. This can lead to poor customer service and lost business. Or imagine orders getting lost because there's no clear process. Systems solve these problems by providing a clear, repeatable process for handling tasks. Just like a house needs strong foundations, your business needs strong systems. These systems are the backbone of your operations. These systems help you deliver your products or services consistently. Consistency builds trust and reliability with your customers. They also free up your time so you can focus on growing your business. With efficient systems, you can dedicate more energy to innovation and expansion. Systems are powerful tools for any business, big or small. They form the backbone of operations, ensuring that everything runs smoothly and efficiently. They bring numerous benefits, leading to greater efficiency and profitability. With well-implemented systems, businesses can streamline their processes and achieve their goals more effectively. Let's break it down. Firstly, systems reduce errors. Mistakes can be costly, both in terms of time and resources, but systems help mitigate these risks. By having clear steps, you minimize the chances of things slipping through the cracks. Detailed workflows and checklists ensure that every task is completed accurately and on time. This leads to better customer satisfaction and improved quality of your products or services. When errors are minimized, the end result is a higher standard of service or product, which keeps customers happy and loyal. Secondly, systems save time and money. Efficient processes mean that tasks are completed faster, reducing labor costs and increasing overall productivity. When everyone knows their role and how to perform tasks efficiently, there's less wasted time and effort. This coordination leads to a more harmonious and productive work environment. This means higher productivity and a healthier bottom line. Businesses can achieve more with the same resources, driving growth and profitability. Finally, systems empower your team. When employees understand the processes and their roles within them, they can work more autonomously and confidently. Clear processes enable employees to work more independently and make decisions confidently. This autonomy fosters innovation and allows employees to take ownership of their work. This fosters a sense of ownership and boosts overall morale. A motivated and empowered team is more likely to contribute positively to the company's success, creating a thriving workplace environment. David Jenyns, in his book SYSTEMology, provides a clear roadmap for systemizing your business. He breaks it down into 5 simple steps, starting with defining. Defining is all about identifying the core systems that make your business tick. These are the essential processes that drive your operations, such as marketing, sales, customer service, and product development. Think of it like listing the vital organs of your business. What are the essential functions that keep it alive and running? These are the systems you need to define and document. Once you've identified your core systems, it's time to assign responsibility for each one. This means identifying the right people for the right roles and delegating tasks effectively. Delegating doesn't mean simply dumping work on others. It's about empowering your team by giving them ownership and accountability. Clearly define roles, responsibilities, and expectations for each system. Think of it like assembling a team of specialists, each with their area of expertise. You have your marketing guru, your sales ninja, your customer service rockstar, all working in sync. Extracting knowledge, unlocking your brain. Now that you have your team in place, it's time to extract the valuable knowledge stored within their minds. This means documenting the current processes and best practices for each system. Think of it like creating an instruction manual for your business. You're capturing all the essential steps, tips, and tricks so that anyone can follow them and achieve consistent results. Start by interviewing your team members and observing their workflows. Document everything, from the software they use to the specific steps they take in each process. No detail is too small. Organizing for clarity, creating your system. With all the information gathered, it's time to organize it into a clear and easily understandable system. This means structuring the information logically and creating visual aids for better comprehension. Think of it like creating a well-organized filing system. You're categorizing and labeling everything so that anyone can find what they need quickly and easily. Tools like flowcharts, checklists, and standard operating procedures, SOPs, are your best friends here. They provide a visual representation of each system, making it easy to understand and follow. Integrating for success. Putting it all together. The final step is integrating your newly created systems into your daily operations. This means training your team on the new processes and ensuring they have the resources to implement them effectively. Think of it like launching a new software update. You need to ensure everyone is on board, understands the changes, and knows how to use the new features. Provide ongoing support and feedback during the implementation phase. Be open to adjustments and refinements as you go along. Remember, systemization is an ongoing process, not a one-time event. The systemization advantage: efficiency and growth. In today's fast-paced business environment, efficiency and growth are not just goals. They are necessities for survival and success. By following these 5 steps, you can transform your business into a well-oiled machine. These steps are designed to streamline your operations, making every process more efficient and effective. Systemization brings numerous benefits, including increased efficiency, reduced errors, and improved customer satisfaction. When your business runs smoothly, your customers notice the difference, leading to higher satisfaction and loyalty. When you have efficient systems in place, you free up valuable time and resources. This means you can allocate your efforts to more critical areas of your business, such as innovation and customer engagement. You're no longer bogged down by repetitive tasks or constantly putting out fires. Automation and delegation become your best friends, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. This allows you to focus on strategic initiatives and growth opportunities. With a clear mind and a streamlined operation, you can identify and seize new opportunities that drive your business forward. Moreover, systems provide a framework for scalability. As your business grows, these systems ensure that you can handle increased demand without compromising on quality or efficiency. As your business grows, you can easily replicate your systems and processes to accommodate the increased workload. This replication is crucial for maintaining consistency and ensuring that your business can scale effectively. This ensures consistency and prevents your operations from collapsing under their own weight. A well-systematized business is resilient, adaptable, and poised for long-term success, no matter the challenges it faces. SYSTEMology in action, real-world results. Countless businesses have benefited from implementing the principles outlined in SYSTEMology. They've witnessed firsthand the transformative power of systemization on their operations and bottom line. From small startups to large corporations, businesses across industries have reported significant improvements in efficiency, profitability, and employee morale after implementing systems. These real-world examples serve as a testament to the effectiveness of the SYSTEMology framework and its ability to revolutionize the way businesses operate. Your business, systemized, taking the first step. Systemizing your business is not an overnight task. It requires a commitment to continuous improvement and a willingness to embrace change. However, the rewards far outweigh the effort. Start by identifying one area of your business that could benefit from systemization. Then, follow the 5 steps outlined by David Jenyns. Define, assign, extract, organize, and integrate. Remember, building a successful business is like constructing a well-designed building. It requires a solid foundation of systems to ensure stability, efficiency, and sustainable growth. Take the first step today and unlock the full potential of your business through systemization.